Today's video covers unexpected travel essentials that I've come to rely on after over 300 flights. These small, easy-to-pack items are always in my personal item bag, and I'm willing to bet that there's at least one on this list that you never thought of packing. The first travel essential that I've been bringing on every flight is the privacy screen attached to the front of my phone. What I love about a privacy screen is that when you're looking at your phone, everything will be crystal clear. But if someone next to you tries to peek, they can't see a thing. This is great when you're sitting beside a stranger or even a friend on a long flight and you don't want anyone snooping over your shoulder. It's not that I necessarily have something to hide, but when I'm typing in passwords or browsing personal stuff, I just like to have my privacy and I don't particularly want the things that I'm doing being recorded on an airport surveillance camera. There are a ton of affordable privacy screen options on Amazon, and once you stick it on your screen, you'll be all set. I've had mine on for over a year without any issues. The second item on this list is something that I never thought I would be packing for a flight, especially not in my personal item bag, and definitely would have considered it to be a waste of space. But not anymore. This yoga ball. On travel days, you end up walking around the airport, taking your shoes on and off, and then sitting for hours with restricted blood flow on a flight. It's no wonder that my feet, and probably yours too, end up feeling a little bit sore after a flight. Bringing this little ball to roll under my feet, either on the plane or later at the hotel, has been a game changer. I was at a conference last week, and after walking around all day, I rolled my feet out for 5 to 10 minutes while watching TV, and it was incredible. They felt so much better. I also use it to massage out those annoying trigger points that I get on my back along my spine after sitting for long periods of time. I picked this up at the dollar store, but honestly, you don't even need a yoga ball. A simple tennis ball will do the exact same thing. Even one of these dog balls is going to work for you. Ollie actually just got these for his birthday. He is 4 today, which you probably wouldn't believe from his comatose state in all of these videos. 4 going on 400. The next tiny but mighty flight essential is this little pocket fan. It's super affordable on Amazon, and I'll have a link to it along with the links to everything that I mention in this video down in the description. Not only does this fan cool you down when you're sitting on a stuffy hot plane before takeoff, flying is so fun, but it also doubles as a power bank, which, as you know, is very useful, considering those airplane in-seat USB charging slots are often broken or they charge your phone at a snail's pace. It's compact, lightweight, multifunctional, and I get asked about it all the time. Love it. Let us know down in the comments what you are packing in your personal item bag. I recently heard Heidi Klum on a podcast talking about a Velcro heat pad that she puts on her back on the plane. Definitely need to give that a try. I've complained about dry cabin air and being dehydrated on a flight many times, but I only recently discovered adding electrolytes to your water. When you get dehydrated mid-flight, adding electrolytes to your water can make such a difference. My favorite way to enjoy a packet of electrolyte powder is with sparkling water, which is often available for free on the beverage cart. The only thing to keep in mind is that sparkling water can cause bloating in the air, so if you are sensitive to bubbles, just mix it with regular water. I'll leave links in the video description to the different electrolyte packets that I've been using on flights, but honestly, I've been trying out different brands and all of them seem to be pretty good. Electrolyte drink mix does make me think of something else that I bring with me on every single flight, but it's not super tiny and it's not new because I've been using it for years. So I will not add it now, but maybe we can add it as a bonus item at the end. I'll also post my entire personal item bag packing list for the flight down in the description so you can see everything I'm bringing, even if it's not new and not tiny. So this next one is a little strange, and I honestly feel awkward talking about it, but hear me out because it does make a big difference. If you've got a long travel day ahead, multiple flights or long connections, you'll want to do everything you can to keep feeling as fresh as possible. In an effort to do this, when I leave the house, I'll wear a panty liner. Then at some point during the travel day, I'll just get rid of it. And this isn't just for women, guys can do it too. It's a little thing that can make you feel so much better when you're halfway through a long travel day. And you could always just like swap the pair of undies that you're wearing out, but let's be honest, who wants to carry that old pair around in their personal item bag? Not a travel essential. Where am I going with this? Moving on. One thing that I recently started doing and will probably never stop doing is adding a carabiner clip to my backpack. This has been such a handy little addition for those moments when you don't want to smush something like a hat or a water bottle inside of your bag. Instead of trying to squeeze them in, I just clip them on the outside. Even with the stricter carry-on rules, I've never had any trouble boarding a flight with my water bottle or my sun hat clipped to the back of my bag. And a carabiner isn't just convenient for clipping things onto, but it can also be used for an extra layer of security and theft prevention. Depending on the layout of the plane, you can also use the clip to attach your personal item bag to the leg of your plane seat, so it's secured and in place during the flight. Speaking of security, the next travel item that I have recently been obsessed with are these mini carabiner zipper clips that you can clip onto the zippers of any zippers that don't have a built-in lock, such as those on your personal item backpack. I keep these tiny clips attached to my bag zippers at all times as they're a great way to secure your bag and your belongings. You can clip the zippers together, so while you can still access your stuff at any time, it does take a little extra effort for anyone trying to sneak into your bag. Whether your bag is under the seat or in the overhead bin on a flight, someone would have to take an extra step to unclip the zippers before they can slip their hand in and grab anything. Adding this small barrier could be the difference between a thief choosing to steal from your bag or moving on to another one with easier access. These clips are also great while you're moving through the airport or even just out and about on your travels to deter pickpockets. Another small item that you will always find in my personal item bag for a flight is gum. Every single time the plane takes off or lands, I get that annoying feeling of fullness in my ears, and chewing gum is the easiest and the yummiest way to relieve that pressure. If you are someone that struggles with ear pressure pain and gum doesn't do it for you, there is another product to check out called earplanes. They're these little earplugs that you can wear during the flight to help regulate the pressure as the plane goes up or comes down. You'll definitely still want to pack gum, as it's great to have for after snacking or eating an in-flight meal, especially since you can't always get to the bathroom to brush your teeth. A good pair of wireless noise-canceling headphones can make or break a flight, which is why I'm excited to be once again partnering with Soundcore by Anchor to share with you their new Liberty 4 wireless earbuds. These earbuds not only look sleek, but they also feature Soundcore's innovative ANC 3.0 technology with 7 sensors, including a pressure sensor for reactive noise cancellation even during takeoffs and landings. The touch bar on the case also allows you to easily adjust the noise cancellation level, so you can choose whether you want to stay aware of your surroundings or fully zone out the plane noise and the passengers around you. One of the standout features is the fast charging case, which comes in a handy carrying case that can be clipped onto your bag for easy access. Just 5 minutes of charging gives you 4 hours of playtime, with up to 28 hours total using the charging case. Check the link down in the description so you can get all of the details and grab the Liberty 4 earbuds before your next flight. And now I'll sneak in that bonus item, which is not new and not tiny, but it is an absolute essential that I bring with me on every single flight. This wide mouth thermos. Whether you've got instant soup, oatmeal, or even just want to keep your hot drinks hot for longer, this thermos is a game changer. You can fill it with coffee or tea at the airport before you board your flight, and while everyone else's little airplane paper cups get cold or spill, your drink will not. I've made a whole separate video on all of the different ways that you can use this wide mouth thermos, including TSA-friendly meal ideas you can prep for your flight. I'll link to that video in the description, along with my full personal item packing list for you to grab for free. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join us back here for more travel tips and hacks each week, and I will see you in that next video soon. Bye.